Hey, Edson, Mayor Kevin Zahara on this Thursday with another Town of Edson update. Still 0 COVID-19 cases in the Town of Edson at the time of this recording, which is fantastic news. Keep up those efforts, Edson. Physically distancing, hand sanitization, and ensuring that you're not having any mass gatherings with too many people. That seems to be one of the ways that we're seeing these increased counts of cases throughout the province of Alberta. We have to be cautious. And of course, there's lots of concern with schools reopening. School going to be restarting next week here in Edson. I know it's been a very stressful time for families, for teachers, for the school divisions, but I know that by working together, everybody's going to get through this. I do want to say a huge shout out to all the teachers, all the staff, all the school divisions. They've been working so hard to reopen schools safely. All the bus drivers that are going to be hitting the roads. And just a reminder to everybody, as kids are going to be going back to school, we got to be extra cautious as we're driving around because they're going to be darting out, heading to school in the mornings and that sort of thing. So let's just be safe out there and make sure everybody has a great start to the school year, even though it's going to be a lot different than what we are normally used to. We have had some great news in our community over the last number of days. Just last night, the opening of the Skills Bike Park out at Wilmore Park. A huge thank you to everybody at the Edson Cycling Association, Mike Stoner-Walker and his wife Ann, and all the volunteers that have built just a phenomenal facility, all the sponsors that have helped out. This is going to be a great place for people to gather, get some physical activity, which is a key priority of council, one of our strategic goals, as well as it's going to encourage people to come to Edson. And that's another one of our strategic priorities. And we're very happy to see the Skills Bike Park opening up. We understand a whole bunch of people from Edmonton are going to be coming out this weekend to enjoy this facility. And we know that over the last number of months, when we've been out at Wilmore Park and the members of council, they've talked to people from out of town, just thrilled with the facility we have out there. So thank you, Edson Cycling Association. Also, great news with Cascade Energy announcing that that they are going to be moving ahead with their power plant on near Bickerdike, $1.5 billion investment. Very exciting time for our community. Also joined Rotary just a couple days ago, and they had an update from TMX on what's going on with the pipeline. What you're seeing in the community right now is just the beginning, because more workers are going to be moving into town over the next number of weeks, and it's really going to get busy in town as construction ramps up. They haven't been able to do full construction due to bird migration. That's coming to an end. So you're going to see a huge influx of workers on that project, as well as they work on spread throughout Edson and Yellowhead County. And of course, fantastic news with the multiplex as well. A total of $36.6 million towards that facility from the federal and provincial governments, meaning that over 50% of the new multiplex is going to be paid for by other levels of government. We're not going to see that kind of grant money in our community ever again for a municipal project. So we're very excited about that. We got the maximum amount that we could apply for, one of the larger amounts that communities received in Alberta. And we're going to be excited to see that facility move forward with our partners at Yellowhead County. Of course, you can get further details on that project at edson.ca. On behalf of our council, once again, good luck to everybody that's going to be starting school next week. Thank you to all of our teachers once again for all their hard work and everybody involved in our education system. Have a great weekend, everyone.